If you eat beans a lot in your family, this video might be of help. This is how I make my beans in a large quantity. Store it in my freezer. That way I won't be cooking beans from scratch each time we want to eat beans. So I'm gonna cook this whole bag in my big pot. I'll add it. Just pour it in. Now I'm going to add water. Allow it to come to a boil and I'll then sieve it. You can also choose to wash it. For me, I'm going to wash it after parboiling. That is why I'm not bothered to wash it now. I'm going to add enough water. Just little above. Like so. Now I'm gonna cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Now let's check the beans. I'm gonna sieve it and wash it. I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna wash it even more. I'm gonna sieve it. I'm gonna wash it again. As you can see, the water is running clear. Now I'm gonna sieve it again and then add water for cooking it. The water has run clear. I'm gonna add water for cooking. Now let's go. Ooh. Now I'm gonna cook it until done. Guys, the beans has cooked and dried. You can see it has already changed. The color has already changed. Now I'm going to cover it with parchment paper or foil to trap in the heat, the vapor, anyone you want to call it. Tomorrow I will portion it. That is how I cook my beans. So see you tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow. You guys, this is the beans the next day. Now I'm going to portion it and transfer in my freezer. This is how I cook my beans. You guys, I'm going to portion it with this. This way. I'm gonna keep this one here for tomorrow. These ones are for rice and beans, porridge, and yeah, will just save you from the stress of cooking beans scratch each time you want to eat beans. Thank you guys.